What's up guys, how you guys doing? It's your girl Fannis Nigerian. I am back at it again with another video. This video is going to be a review. I love me some Pierre products. I love Pierre. It is what I used to contour and set my face when it comes to the powder. So you know, when it comes to the highlighter, I had to get it. And mind you, I already have some Pierre highlighters before that actually has some of the shades in here, and I just wanted to do some swatches for y'all, and let's try this bad boy out. Now, one thing about this highlighters is that I thought they were like liquid highlighters, but actually it's not. It is actually powder that is inside, but they are roll-on highlighters. And the crazy thing is that on the website this is retailed for $50, and I think during the holidays right now it is actually half off, so you could get it for $25, but you can actually even get it for a much more better price like I did. If you go to TJ Maxx, like Marshalls, Home Goods stores, those three stores, you're most likely to find it there, but it is not guaranteed that it will be there, because TJ Maxx, you just get lucky when it comes to stuff like this. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna get into it. Let's do some swatching. Let's light up this room, okay? Here's the bottle. It has 6 shades, okay? So we're gonna be swatching 6 different shades. Wrap. Yep, that is all 6 shades that I just swatched for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one do you think will go well with your skin, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.